暖暖暖
warm,
warm.
气候变暖是我们必须关注的问题。气候变暖是我们必须关注的问题。气候变暖是我们必须关注的问题。
climate warming is an issue we must pay attention to.
Climate warming is an issue we must pay attention to.
冬天天气寒冷，人们穿着厚厚的大衣来保暖。冬天天气寒冷，人们穿着厚厚的大衣来保暖。冬天天气寒冷，人们穿着厚厚的大衣来保暖。
The weather is cold in winter, and people have put on thick coats to keep warm.
The weather is cold in winter, and people have put on thick coats to keep warm.
春暖花开的季节是旅游的好日子。春暖花开的季节是旅游的好日子。春暖花开的季节是旅游的好日子。
The spring season is a good time to travel.
The spring season is a good time to travel.
塑料袋，塑料袋，塑料袋。
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
这个红色塑料袋是谁的？这个红色塑料袋是谁的？这个红色塑料袋是谁的？
Whose is this red plastic bag?
Whose is this red plastic bag?
塑料袋不能随便用来装食物。塑料袋不能随便用来装食物。塑料袋不能随便用来装食物。
Plastic bags cannot be used casually to hold food.
Plastic bags cannot be used casually to hold food.
不安全的塑料袋含有有害物质。不安全的塑料袋含有有害物质。不安全的塑料袋含有有害物质。
Unsafe plastic bags contain harmful substances.
Unsafe plastic bags contain harmful substances.
于是，于是，于是。
Therefore. Hence. So.
Therefore. Hence. So.
这个方法不行，于是他使用了另外一个方法。这个方法不行，于是他使用了另外一个方法。这个方法不行，于是他使用了另外一个方法。
This method didn't work, so he used another method.
This method didn't work, so he used another method.
他对现在的工作不满意，于是就想找一份新工作。他对现在的工作不满意，于是就想找一份新工作。他对现在的工作不满意，于是就想找一份新工作。
She was not satisfied with her current job, so she wanted to find a new job.
She was not satisfied with her current job, so she wanted to find a new job.
他在这里住得不开心，于是他决定搬家，换个环境。他在这里住得不开心，于是他决定搬家，换个环境。他在这里住得不开心，于是他决定搬家，换个环境。
He was unhappy living here, so he decided to move and change his environment.
He was unhappy living here, so he decided to move and change his environment.
鼓励，鼓励，鼓励。
Encourage.
Encourage.
孩子需要父母的鼓励与支持。孩子需要父母的鼓励与支持。 孩子需要父母的鼓励与支持。
Children need encouragement and support from their parents.
Children need encouragement and support from their parents.
父母的鼓励给了我信心和勇气。父母的鼓励给了我信心和勇气。父母的鼓励给了我信心和勇气。
My parents' encouragement gave me confidence and courage.
My parents' encouragement gave me confidence and courage.
感谢你们的鼓励，我一定会继续努力。感谢你们的鼓励，我一定会继续努力。感谢你们的鼓励，我一定会继续努力。
Thank you for your encouragement. I will definitely continue to work hard.
Thank you for your encouragement. I will definitely continue to work hard.
拒绝，拒绝，拒绝。
Refuse.
Refuse.
我们要学会如何礼貌地拒绝别人。我们要学会如何礼貌地拒绝别人。我们要学会如何礼貌地拒绝别人。
We need to learn how to politely refuse others.
We need to learn how to politely refuse others.
我要求加薪，但老板拒绝了。我要求加薪，但老板拒绝了。我要求加薪，但老板拒绝了。
I asked for a raise, but my boss refused.
I asked for a raise, but my boss refused.
他拒绝接受事实。他拒绝接受事实。他拒绝接受事实。
He refused to accept the truth.
He refused to accept the truth.
减少，减少，减少。
Reduce.
Reduce.
最近生意不太好，收入也减少了。最近生意不太好，收入也减少了。最近生意不太好，收入也减少了。
Business has not been very good recently and income has decreased.
Business has not been very good recently and income has decreased.
以合适、礼貌的方式说不，可以减少误会。以合适、礼貌的方式说不，可以减少误会。以合适、礼貌的方式说不，可以减少误会。
Saying no in an appropriate and polite way can reduce misunderstandings.
Saying no in an appropriate and polite way can reduce misunderstandings.
绿化环境，节约用电可以减少空气污染。绿化环境，节约用电可以减少空气污染。绿化环境，节约用电可以减少空气污染。
Greening the environment and saving electricity can reduce air pollution.
Greening the environment and saving electricity can reduce air pollution.
谢谢观看。